In parts 1 and parts 2 of my video series on assessing data science talents for hire, I shared tips on how candidates can be evaluated on various competencies, including technical and data storytelling skills, and also how they can be assessed for team fits. In this video, I'll address how expectations for potential hires will change based on the experience required for the position. In general, more experienced positions will typically require, first of all, a higher degree of skill within a particular competency and additional competencies. Before I proceed, note that in this video, I'll use the term data professionals to collectively refer to both data analysts and data scientists. Now, when hiring junior data professionals with up to 3 years of experience, assess them primarily on their technical skills and their general communication skills. Junior data professionals should have at the minimum basic coding skills, and junior data scientists in particular should additionally have a good grasp of foundational statistics and model building concepts. It is not critical that junior data professionals have strong data storytelling skills to start off with, as this is something they will grow in as their career progresses, but they should at least have good general communication skills. A willingness and eagerness to learn and grow is a valuable trait for any professional, but it is especially important to look out for this in junior data professionals since they have little to no professional experience. Mid-level data professionals with 4 to 6 years of experience should have strong technical and at least intermediate data storytelling skills, along with a fundamental understanding of the industry they work in, assuming they worked in the same industry in their previous role. For candidates who might not have industry knowledge, employers should, however, keep in mind that industry knowledge is something which can be learned, especially if the candidate has shown a willingness and eagerness to get acquainted with the industry. Lastly, if applicable, it would be ideal if mid-level professionals have shown an interest in or have already started taking steps to grow in their collaboration and leadership skills. Senior data professionals with 7 or more years of experience should ideally be strong in all the competencies I shared in my previous video: technical skills, communication and data storytelling, leadership and collaboration, and industry knowledge. However, at this level, collaboration and leadership, communication and data storytelling skills start to matter more than the technical skills, particularly if the data professional wants to switch from an individual contributor track to a managerial track. That's it for part 3 of my video series on assessing data science talents for hire. Stay tuned for part 4 next week, where I'll share some thoughts on the structure of interviews when hiring data scientists and general tips for conducting interviews.